Hello everyone, today we will tell you about the Tympanometer device. But before that, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated about our upcoming videos. The term tympanic means something relating to, or resembling a drum. In anatomy, this term is used to recognize the middle ear, or eardrum. The tympanometer is a medical device used to monitor the proper functioning of the middle ear, and to diagnose if any problem exists. The health practitioners can opt between handheld tympanometers, for mobile tympanometry, or tabletop tympanometer devices, for performing tests in their offices. This device is used in the ENT department of hospitals. Tympanometry is the objective test of the middle ear function. This process is done to check the mobility of eardrum, and the conduction bones by creating a variation of air pressure in the ear canal. In the process of tympanometry, the probe of tympanometer is inserted in the ear canal, which contains a loudspeaker, a microphone, and an air pump. A tone of 226 Hz is delivered into the ear, while the air pressure is varied from a negative value to a certain positive value within the sealed canal. The results of a tympanometry test are recorded on a graph called the tympanogram. Tympanogram describes the flexibility of the tympanic membrane and the ossicles. A tympanogram represents the relationship between the air pressure in the ear canal, and the compliance of the middle ear. It also helps in the diagnosis of tympanic membrane perforation. Have a look at the block diagram of tympanometer assembly. The tympanogram is correlated with the audiogram data to monitor the complete functioning of the ear. The audiogram is obtained from an audiometer device, which we will cover in another video. If you know the name of companies that are manufacturing or dealing tympanometers, then mention their name in the comments section. Hopefully this video enhanced your knowledge about the health tech industry. If yes, then also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.